This user manual is created to explain how to set up a basket order through Ajmera ITrade 2.0 mobile application. This tutorial is created by Ajmera Exchange for educational purposes only. This is a step-by-step tutorial with images consisting of 8 steps that a client has to carry out in order to create a basket order, which can be executed with one click via the Ajmera ITrade 2.0 mobile application. Step 1. Find Tools. Log in to Ajmera ITrade mobile application. You will land on the Predefined tab. Here look for the Tools section right next to the Ajmera Exchange logo towards the bottom of the snapshot, highlighted by a red box. Tap that and the Tools screen will open up. Move to Step 2. Step 2. Tap Basket Order. As soon as you tap on the Tools button as demonstrated in the previous slide, you will land on the Tools and Research section. Here, tap Basket Order to enter your basket order dashboard. Here you can place up to 20 orders and execute them in a single click. Move on to Step 3. Step 3. Tap New Basket. As soon as you tap Basket Order, you will land on your basket order dashboard. To create a new basket, tap on New Basket, highlighted in red, or Create Basket, highlighted in blue. After selecting a new basket option, give a preferred name to the basket. Move on to Step 4. Step 4. Search Stocks. Once a new basket has been created, tap on Search to find the stocks you want to add as highlighted in the red box. Stock will be added to your basket when you click Add, as highlighted in the blue box. You can add no more than 20 stocks to your basket and can modify it at any time. Move on to Step 5. Step 5. Delivery and Intraday. As soon as your selected stocks have been added to your new basket, you will find a selection with options like Delivery, Intraday, highlighted in red as per your preference. You also have the option to select between Buy or Sell, depending upon the nature of your basket as highlighted in blue. Move on to Step 6. Step 6. Set Quantity. After adding stocks and selecting the desired intraday and delivery options, you may select the quantity of stock. By clicking the plus sign, you can add as many quantities as you want. After adding quantities, select the Add to Basket option as highlighted in green. Similarly, you can add up to 20 stocks to your basket and modify them at any time. Move on to Step 7. Step 7. Set Limit and Stop Loss. When you add your stock to the basket, you will also be allowed to select a limit option to determine the price of purchase or sale of your stock. You may modify the limit and quantity at any time you want depending upon the margin, stock available and as per the requirements of the basket. You can also add a separate stop loss for every stock independently to avoid stock drags. Move on to Step 8. Step 8. Swipe to execute. After adding stocks and deciding on limits and quantities, swipe to execute. After swiping to execute, your order will be triggered and eventually executed. This is provided all other parameters of margins and holdings are met with. You can execute this basket over multiple times as per your requirement, as it is now saved on your Ajmera ITrade 2.0 mobile app.